Hello everyone, welcome to Gem Labs. Gem Labs is going to conduct 15 days free online training program on embedded systems and IoT using NodeMCU. In this training process, students are trained on embedded systems, and after gaining good knowledge on embedded systems, they will be trained on IoT. In part 3 video, you will learn how to install softwares and interface electronic components with Arduino. In this video, you will learn how to install Proteus software, Arduino IDE, Arduino UNO library file for Proteus, and real-time examples of Arduino like LED blinking and 7-segment display. Let us see how to install Proteus software. First, go to Google Chrome and type Proteus 8.9 Professional download. In that, select Proteus Professional 2019 free download and scroll down. You can see download 32-bit x 8.9 build. Click on that and save the file in required path in your PC. After completion of download, open the file and click on next, and again click on next. After that, file gets extracted. Wait until it gets installed. After completion, you can see the Proteus 8.9 Professional gets installed in your PC and click on Finish. Next one is how to install Arduino IDE. First, go to Google Chrome and type Arduino IDE download. In that, select Arduino IDE and click on Windows Installer and select Just Download. After that, select the proper path where you want to save the file. After completion of download, open the file and click on I agree and click on Next. install. Then file gets extracted. After file gets extracted, you can see Arduino IDE gets installed in your PC. Next is how to install Arduino UNO library for Proteus. Basically, there is no facility of Arduino in Proteus. So, we are going to install Arduino UNO library for Proteus. First, go to Google Chrome and type Arduino UNO library for Proteus. In that, open Arduino UNO library for Proteus, the engineering projects. Scroll down so that you can see download Arduino UNO library for Proteus and click on that and save the file in proper path in your PC. After completion of download, open that file and click on Arduino UNO library for Proteus and copy the IDX and LIB file of Arduino UNO. After that, go to local disk C and select program data. In that, select Lab Center Electronics. In that, select Proteus 8 Professional. In that, select Library and paste the copied two files of Arduino UNO. Now, let us see some real-time examples where we use Arduino. One is in LED blinking and another one is in 7-segment display. Now, we are going to see how to blink LED by interfacing with Arduino. LEDs are small lights which are used in many applications. LED blinking is as simple as switching light on and off. LED blinking is commonly seen in sound indicators, music players, visual indication in highways, etc. Now let us see how we are going to interface LED with Arduino in Proteus. First, go to Proteus software and select schematic capture. After that, select component mode and click on P for picking the devices. In keywords, type UNO and select Arduino UNO. After that, type resistor and select generic resistor. After that, type LED yellow and select animated LED model yellow. Now select Arduino UNO and place it in required location. After that, select resistor and place it. After that, select LED and place it in required location. After that, give the connections to LED, resistor and Arduino board. After that, go to terminal mode and select ground in that and place it in the required field and click on resistor and change the value of resistor. After that, go to Arduino UNO and write the code for LED blinking. After that, compile the sketch. After compilation, copy the hex file and paste it in the program file of Arduino UNO and click on OK. And run the simulation so that LED starts blinking After that, stop the simulation. Next one is interfacing 7-segment display with Arduino. 7-segment display consists of 7 LEDs arranged in rectangular form. It is used to display numbers and characters. There are two types of LED 7-segment display. One is common anode and another one is common cathode. In common cathode, all 7 LED cathode terminals is connected to ground. In common anode, all 7 LED anode terminals is connected to VCC. Now let us see how to interface 7-segment display as we discussed before. First, go to Proteus software and select the components. The required components for 7-segment display is Arduino UNO and 7-segment display. Now select Arduino UNO and place in required field. After that, select the 7-segment display and give the connections as shown to 7-segment display from Arduino. After that, go to terminal mode and select power and place it near 7-segment. Next, go to Arduino IDE and write code for 7-segment to display from 0 to 9 and compile the sketch. After compiling, copy the hex file and paste in program file of Arduino and click on OK. Now go and click on Run Simulation so that 7-segment will display from 0 to 9 numbers. After that, stop the simulation. 7-segment displays are used in speed meters, digital clocks, radio frequency indicators, etc. Benefits of this training course is students can able to design and implement IoT projects and they will gain good practical knowledge and self-development to become entrepreneur. The installation of softwares and library links are provided in the description. If you have any doubts, contact with the details provided. Thank you.